Spanning the Sunshine and Fraser coasts, from the Glasshouse Mountains just an hour's drive north of Queensland's capital city Brisbane, to the World Heritage listed Fraser Island and the southern tip of the Great Barrier Reef, Australia's Nature Coast has amazing biodiversity. Here, people live in harmony with nature in not one, but two UNESCO biospheres, the only two adjoining biospheres in the world, sitting side by side and conveniently connected by the Great Beach Drive. The Noosa and Great Sandy biospheres present visitors with a nature display seen nowhere else in the world. Nature and adventure go hand in hand on the Sunshine Coast. And when this natural paradise is only 1 hour's drive north from Brisbane's International Airport, or accessed directly from Sydney and Melbourne with daily flights into the Sunshine Coast Airport, it's easily explored as a self-drive destination. As part of Australia's Nature Coast, diversity in the region is abundant. Explore the Glasshouse Mountains and a hinterland of lush rainforests. Enjoy over 100 kilometres of safe sandy beaches and a relaxed coastal lifestyle. And be inspired by the Noosa biosphere and its 150,000 hectares of land and sea, including many rare and endangered animals. Expect to be immersed in nature while also enjoying a range of quality accommodation options and fresh dining experiences using food grown in our own rich soil and fresh seafood from our abundant ocean. It's a laid-back lifestyle and the perfect destination to relax, revitalise and naturally refresh. As part of Australia's Nature Coast, the Sunshine Coast is a destination blessed by nature and enjoying warm waters and 300 days of sunshine each year. And some of the most extraordinary natural diversity on planet Earth. It's a safe, fun and family-friendly destination that's both easy to reach and hard to leave.